Are you too confused regarding what addition you should make to your garden this monsoon? If yes, then look no further, as in this video I'll suggest some wonderful options you can consider for adorning your garden this rainy season. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to comment below with your queries. Rain lilies feature first in this list because I fell in love with them ever since I introduced them to my garden. They come in 4 beautiful shades and add a hint of color to the otherwise gloomy stretch of shiny greenery in the garden during monsoon. They are an absolute feast for the eyes and make a lovely choice for monsoon gardening. Zinnias are one of the easiest plants to grow as they grow quickly and bloom heavily. They have bright, solitary, daisy-like flower heads. They make a massive burst of color in your garden and they attract butterflies. They are also very hardy so that they can withstand dry bouts of the weather in between heavy rain. Gladioli are perennial flowering plants which produce elegant 3-foot flower spikes with orchid-like blooms. Gladiolas come in gorgeous colors ranging from white, yellow, pink and lavender to rose, burgundy, purple and even green. The bulbs are incredibly easy to grow. I have seen them grow enormous and shoot up sticks during heavy monsoon on my terrace garden, and it is absolutely a visual treat to see a splash of colors amidst fields of greenery. If you're someone who'd like a stimulation of your olfactory senses, try planting Rajnigandha or Tuberose in your garden. They grow out of clusters of bulbs and shoot up sticks of white, fragrant flowers. They are a perfect accompaniment to your rainy evening music. Following the cue, Jasmine is the next legitimate choice. There are a variety of jasmine species to choose from, and each is potent enough to intoxicate you with its strong aroma which lasts for days on end. If you're looking for a cluster of quaint, tiny blooms to cheer you up every morning, then Portulacas are your go-to flowers. They are easy to grow, easy to propagate, and will do well in a well-drained soil with frequent cropping of the flower heads. To be rewarded with infinite blooms, try placing a container filled with Portulacas on the windowsill, shaded from rain, as the plant will do better with less water. I guess I'm stating the obvious, but monsoon gardening perhaps shall remain incomplete without water lily and lotus. During monsoon, you do not need to worry about waters accumulating in containers. Just add some soil to it, plant a lotus or water lily seed in it, and watch it grow. You can even add few fish to create your own little pond out there. Sounds interesting? So why don't you give it a try and let me know in the comments below how things turned out. Happy gardening!